Okay, this video is regarding calculating end of rental charges from your current reservations. You're going to find the reservation in question. You'll click calculate. Brings you to this page. Okay, so first we're doing some calculations on a reservation where a cash deposit was taken. Let's just say we're going to give them one night. We put in here in the description one night. In the amount, we want to put $79. We're going to credit them the sales tax. You'd click yes if you're crediting the sales tax, or no if you don't want to credit the sales tax. And we'll add a charge here of for a dent, $200. And we're going to charge sales tax again on that. The cash security deposit was $300, so we click calculate here. And on this next page, we see one night, $79, tax, total of credit of $84, dent $200, tax $13, total charges of $213. The difference between these two is $129. They paid $300. And so I owe them $170 cash in return. You'd click save and print, and then you could finish this rental, and you'd be done there. As you can see, these are some elaborate calculations it's doing for you, determining the difference and the refund amount. We'll show you some more complicated ones. Let's do one where they had $500 in damages. And this time we want the total to be $500, but we want to calculate the tax. So we click include sales tax. Click calculate. Again, we've got the credits for the one night, and then the dent calculates the charge of $467, tax of $32, for a total of $500. And then the difference is $415. They paid a deposit of $300. Amount due is $115. Now, with an RV dealer account, you can go ahead and charge that amount through your merchant account. Click charge amount. Brings you to this page. This is the original card that was used for the reservation deposit. We don't store codes because it's against the rule. You can add that code if you can get it from your customer, and you'll get a little bit better discount rate. And then you just click charge amount due, $115. We're not going to do that because we have to do some more calculations here. Let's say, what's a good example here? Say there's no charges, and say they gave us, they didn't have exact change, so we can change this deposit to $310. Calculate. Now we've got our credit, no charges, difference $84.41. I owe them $394 on this rental. Down here at the bottom, it shows you details. The initial rental charge is $272, credit $79. So the total charges are $193. Initial tax was $1863. Tax credit of $541 puts the new tax at $1322. You click save and print, and then you can finish that, and you'll be done with that rental. Okay, now we're going to do some calculations where the security deposit was authorized. As you can see down here, deposit authorized amount $300. This cannot be changed because it was authorized. It's set in stone. That's what was authorized. That's what you can work with. Alright, this first calculation we have a credit of one night, $79. And then this is typical for what you might have on a motorhome. Generator, 20 hours times $2 an hour equals $40. Miles, 335 times 0.35 equals 117.25. You can use the little calculator up here to add that up. We got $40 plus 117.25 equals 157.25. And we are going to charge tax because the state wants their share. Then we just click calculate. Brings us to the totals. Again, we've got the credit. We've got the charges with tax is 168. The difference between 84 and 168 is 83. We authorized a deposit of $300. Refund amount is $269. So we're going to charge their card $83.61. Come down here to the bottom where it says force authorization for $83.61. Brings us here. Again, the card that was used for the authorization. This is a test card, so I'm going to get an error, but you would just do that, and you would normally get a success page. And that's how that works. Now in this one, we're going to add $400 for a dent, which puts it at $557.25. Actually need to change this to 24 for the demonstration, or it won't let us charge this test card. So we calculate it. Now in this case, we've got our credit, $84.41. Total charges of $595. The difference is $511, which is $211 above the $300 security deposit. So we're going to charge their card for $211, and then we'll force authorize the security deposit for $300. So we come down here, charge amount due, click charge amount due. We get a success. It has all the information on the end of rental. Has the card information that was used, etc. And now down here at the bottom, it tells us we also need to force a security deposit. So we force this, and it brings us to this page. And test cards, they don't allow you to force authorization, so I'm going to go ahead and force it, and we'll get this error here. If it wasn't a test card, we would get a success page, and then we can go to our current reservations, and if that had been charged, it would have given us the amount of $300 right there on that reservation. But that's how that works, and then you can go ahead and finish, and that's how that works. Thank you.